time no see.
We need something.
Aren't you going to introduce me to your friend?
No.
And what is your name?
Marianne.
Pleasure.
Enough. Cece, we need this. Harry and Ivy seem to think you'll know where it is.
What's it for?
What's it matter?
Seems to me if you want somebody's help, you ought to be a little bit more polite.
Maybe she's right. I mean, he's
Marianne, let me handle this. Do you have it or not?
Supposing I don't, but I know who does.
Supposing you tell me who that is.
Oh boy, spicy as ever. I've missed you.
Well, I haven't missed you.
What's it for?
It's a machine.
Marianne!
A machine, and what does it do?
It gets me someplace.
Does it? Where are you trying to go?
I don't know, just somewhere.
Well, if it's somewhere you're trying to get to, you're sure to do that if you just keep walking long enough.
It isn't like that.
Marianne, stop.
We're in a dream, you see, and this machine will wake me up, wake us all up.
A dream? Let me see.
I think you've seen enough.
This machine will wake you up, you say. How do you know?
I just know.
And then what?
Everything will be different. We'll be out of this crazy place and where we are supposed to be.
All of us?
I think so.
This doesn't make any sense, of course. But who am I to walk away from helping a poor young girl? In fact, the ladies and I want to help, don't we?
Absolutely.
How about we come with you? I know a lot of people. I have some connections. I bet I can get you what you need much faster.
We don't need that kind of help.
Twice, maybe.
No! Cece, we are late. Do you know who has this piece or not?
The doubles have it.
The doubles? But we were just...
We didn't ask for this. We didn't ask the right questions. They don't give out information freely. Besides, we don't have anything they need. They won't give us anything without a trade.
I tell you what, because I'm such a stand-up guy, I'm going to tell you how to get it. Here, follow these instructions. They'll get you what you need.
Thank you.
And should you change your mind,
We won't.
So